Good afternoon from Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. It's Ryan.
And Brie.
And Hannah.
And here's what we'll be showing you on today's video. We will show you where in Pigeon Forge this new mountain coaster is located as we go over the cost of tickets and how you can get a discount. We'll bring you on a tour of the inside that is loaded with honey, showing you what the coaster seats are like, going over the height and weight requirements. You will get to sit on the seat with us as we take off, seeing lots of Smoky Mountain black bears looking for honey, with a full ride POV of what the Lost Mine mountain coaster is like that will hopefully help you decide if this is one you would like to try next time you're in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. So without further ado, let the adventure begin. The Lost Mine mountain coaster and mini golf is located not far from the island in Pigeon Forge, just down the street from the Mountain Mile on Teaster Ln. As we pass Pigeon Forge Snow, it will be right up here on our right. As we come up to the Lost Mine mountain coaster and mini golf, we wanted to give you a quick look at their pricing. We'll talk about discounts at the end of the video, but you're welcome to pause it to get a better look. You need to be 54 inches tall to ride alone and 38 inches to ride with an adult, with a maximum weight of 375 pounds in dry weather, or 330 pounds if there's rain or ice. At the time of recording, they're still working on the finishing touches of their mini golf, but we'll come back and do a video showing you what their course is like. I did want to show you this little area over here by the mountain coaster. So if you're not looking to actually get on the coaster and you just want to watch your friend or family member come down on the coaster, you can do that in this area over here. But we are going to hop on the coaster, so let's head over here to where you get your tickets. As we go to get our tickets, they do have a little photo spot here. Hannah's hopping in. I think they have a little more modernized coaster than this one. I don't think we'll be riding that one. This isn't the demo one that you'll be checking out.
We got our tickets. Let's head to the mine tunnel. Wow, this is really cool. What do you think, Hannah?
It's really cool.
Does this remind you of like Big Thunder Mountain kind of style, old mine?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta climb up the ladder, Hannah. Ooh, that goes on forever.
Look at the mining tools and
You
TNT.
What is it here?
Mining tools and the
mining
TNT.
tools. Do you think we
Or the
should grab
dynamite.
some in case we get stuck in the mine?
I don't think we can. Oh, keep me away from the bees. No.
Wow.
This is cool.
It's like honeycomb. Wait a second. Is this why the bears are in the mine? You think? This is pretty cool theming. I like it.
Brie filled out a waiver for herself and signed for Hannah since she was under 18. You can see some of the ride rules here, and this is what the Lost Mine mountain coaster seats are like. You'll be joining Brie and Hannah, so buckle up and let's go for a ride on the Lost Mine mountain coaster in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee.
Thank you. All right, Hannah, here we go. There's Mama Bear, sweeping up, hanging up the laundry. Hello again. Yep. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Woo! Oh, this is fun. Too fast?
No.
Slow down. Oh, this is cute. The blast area. Look, that tree fell down. Oh, cute little tunnel we're gonna go through.
Ooh, we're going in the tunnel.
This is cute. Look at the bear at the end.
Yeah, it smells like wood.
Well, it is made of wood.
I know. Oh, he barely made it.
Oh, it's really nice and peaceful up here. Look at all the little red leaves you see. Little, you know, splatters of fall coming through.
Or splotches, I guess.
Why are we going where it says keep out, Hannah?
Back it up, Terry, back it up. Oh gosh, this is steep.
This one is high. Oh, look at this cute little mining town.
Yeah.
Okay,
oh my goodness.
Oh, this is fun. Whoa. You got some good curves through here.
Yeah. Oh, slow down, slow down. Okay, go as fast as you can. Now. Yeah, even faster.
Barefoot Ridge. Look at that.
Oh, look at that. It's so cute. Slow.
We're at a slow speed right here. Oh, look at this pretty fall leaves.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
It's so pretty in the wheel.
Look how beautiful that is. Wow, look at that gorgeous view. Beautiful surprise view on that third lift.
Okay, let's go. Come on, fast as you can.
And there's the honey the bears are after.
Ah! Come on, you can go faster than that.
Full speed?
Yes. Oh, no, full speed! Okay, now we do full speed. Oh, here, look at a little dip. Whee! Oh, slow. Oh, we're going up again?
Yeah.
Wow, I can't.
There's so many lifts. I love it. Houses. And a bear zip lining across.
Oh, look at the outhouse, and there's a bear in there.
I hope you don't have to go.
No, I'm fine.
It's occupied.
Yes.
Ooh, another pretty view.
Wow. I like the other one just a little better.
Yeah, both beautiful though.
All right, let's go.
Here we go. Oh, I bet those lights are nice at night.
Yes.
Whee! That was so much fun. What did you think, Hannah?
It was really fun. Barefoot Ridge.
You can ride again for only $9.99. Look at that. You want to ride again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gold nugget. Oh, that's actually squishy.
Oh, fool's gold. Oh, that's cute. A little bear hat. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Except bears. Bears will kill you. Don't poke the bear. Whole hive honey. Nice. You could get a jar for $19.99.
Bree's gonna get this fan from the gift shop for $5.
We're big fans of this place.
One thing I wanted to point out is in the gift shop, you'll eventually be able to get a video with clips of you riding the coaster emailed to you for about $12 in the future. They have lots of lighting around the track. We plan to come back and do a video showing you what this mountain coaster is like at night. The Lost Mine mountain coaster has 4 up sections and 4 down sections, and the ride is anywhere between 10 and 18 minutes long, depending on your speed, which you can control. If you don't use the brakes, you can hit a top speed of 30 miles per hour. The Lost Mine Mountain Coaster in Pigeon Forge does offer a $3 discount for locals and military members. You can also find a $2 discount coupon and a number of local coupon booklets. We wanted to give away 2 free tickets to ride this mountain coaster. All you have to do is leave a comment on this video and make sure your comment includes Lost Mine Mountain Coaster Pigeon Forge, and we'll randomly choose 2 comments on an upcoming live stream. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like the video, and if you are new here, make sure you are subscribed to see more videos just like this. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.